morning, every viewers. Today we are going to study on the topics of jet stream. Already you understood that jet streams are influence the climate of India, no doubt. So today we discuss over jet streams. Already you understood that jet streams is a upper air circulatory wind system. Jet stream is the upper air circulatory wind systems. In this country India, which flow westerly. So first of all, jet streams are a narrow belt of a high altitude above 12,000 meters, means from ground level to 12,000 high. In that region where these wind systems blow over 12,000 meters high from the earth's surface. Actually, the direction of this wind is in troposphere westerly. So, one separate jet streams that are also blow easterly also. So, their speed means the speed of this jet stream is varies in different regions. In summer, in different moments, different seasons. In summer season, the speed of this jet stream is 100 km per hour, while in winter season, the speed of this jet stream is become 184 km per hour. So already you noticed that the speed of this jet stream is varying due to seasons, temperatures, and pressure. A number of separate jet streams have been identified not only in India but in the abroad level. The number of jet streams are have been identified. The most constant are the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet stream. Means mid-latitude means 0 degree latitude is equator and 90 degree latitude is the polar region. The mid-latitude approximately 30 degree, 25 degree, 30 degree to 45 degree. These latitudes are considered as a mid-latitude. So the existence of the jet stream is in mid-latitude, approximately 25 degree to 30 degree, which are mentioned here. 27 degree to 30 degree. So these jet streams jet streams are prevalent in mid latitude, approximately 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude, and in this area, this latitude is also considered as the subtropical region. So the jet stream that belong in these regions, this is considered as the subtropical jet stream. Okay, the upper air circulation in this region is dominated by the westerly flow. Means in India, in Indian context of the monsoon, the upper air circulatory wind system also dominated or affected the monsoon of India or southwest monsoon. So this westerly flow jet stream is also influence the climate, influence the monsoon. An important component of this flow is the jet stream. Means jet stream is the main component, an important component for influencing the monsoon in the country India. So we discuss here. These jet streams are located approximately over 27 degree to 30 degree latitude on Indian map of India, where in these regions. This is the subtropical westerly jet stream, and this is the subtropical easterly jet stream. And these jet stream belong over these regions. So therefore, they are known as subtropical westerly jet stream because these regions is considered as a subtropical region. 30 degree and already you understood that 0 degree to 23.5 degree north and 0 degree to 23.5 degree south. Between this region is considered as the torrid zone or tropical zone. But while jet streams occur in 27 degree to 30 degree, so this region is considered as the subtropical, and the direction of this jet stream is westerly. So over India, these are westerly jet stream. These jet stream blow south of Himalaya all through the year except summer. Means except summer, these jet streams blow in India south of the Himalayan region, south of Himalaya, and all the year, all the season, all parts of season except summer. Means in winter, in rainy season, these are blow. While in winter season, it not blow. Actually, it blow, but it shifted their path between this. The western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the northwestern parts of the country are brought in by this westerly flow. Means this western cyclonic disturbances also influence the southwest monsoon in the region, in the country India. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet stream move north of Himalaya. In summer region, due to the pressuric condition were changed by the Coriolis forces. So, with the apparent movement of the sun, that influenced by the Coriolis force and the Ferri's law, so the direction will be changed in these regions. And easterly jet stream, called the subtropical easterly jet stream, blows over the peninsular India approximately over 14 degree and latitude during the summer month. In summer month, in the means peninsular part of India, peninsular plateau regions of India, where approximately on 14 degree north latitude, this easterly jet stream belong. Okay, and it also affect the climate of the country. So in next period we will discuss about the western cyclonic disturbances and how these western cyclonic disturbances influence the climate of India and monsoon. Okay, thank you very much. In next video we will discuss on that. Okay, thank you very much.